alligator, snappy and green. B is for bear, the forest king and queen. C is for cat, who purrs in the sun. D is for dog, who loves to run. E is for elephant, big and grand. F is for frog, who leaps off land. G is for giraffe, with a neck so high. H is for hippo, who loves to lie. I is for iguana, lazy in the heat. J is for jaguar, quick on its feet. K is for kangaroo, bouncing along. L is for lion, mighty and strong. M is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for newt, as sly as can be. O is for owl, wise in the night. P is for penguin, dressed in black and white. Q is for quail, with feathers so neat. R is for rabbit, hopping on feet. S is for snake, who slithers and slides. T is for tiger, who stalks and hides. U is for uriel, with curved horns wide. V is for vulture, who soars with pride. W is for whale, singing deep in the sea. X is for Zurus, a squirrel in a tree. Y is for yak,